Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
DOT.
We're here. This side's fine as well. Huh? I found...
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Am I ever gonna stop?
Rogie!
Not too public. If the press find you, they will be like many, many bugs on you.
To fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, the gal left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up? You
All right. Now, everyone say Princess Lanny.
Friend.
Thanks, guys!
It's time to stop. You know what he said? The youngsters will tell you.
Stagarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock!
Me be jamming now, man.
Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke.
Oh, black bitty, Bambalam, oh, black bitty, Bambalam, oh, black bitty, Bambalam, oh, black bitty.
Pour it on! Oh, he got paid!
You don't.
Doc, I'm flat! I'm flat!
Whoa, whoa.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
We are back in business. Guido, Luigi, you're going up against professional pit crews, boys. You're going to have to...
McQueen and Sally, Park K. K-I-S-S.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen hoy que es el más veloz?
Little bit of training.
I sold them. No idea. He's my best customer, but he always does his business over the...
I made that Sterling fella a Texas-size offer.
So, you ready?
School.
Tokyo Station. I have a message from London.
Not here. You must try the canapes on the mezzanine.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen
very sad. I will...
Jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons come out.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Not in my town, you don't.
You, sir, are officially incognito.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
Sneak through that window!
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Go!
Found something to drink. Stop at Flo's V8 Cafe. Finest fuel on Route 66.
No, we just... No. You are not winning.
Ah, you're angry!
I am not angry.
What just happened?
Expanding, causing the engine block to drag it under the stress, forcing oil into the combustion.
Welcome back. You look different.
Obviously.
You look ready.